Hello, designers.
Hello.
For your next mission, you will celebrate the beauty of motherhood through maternity fashion. You will create versatile designs that cater to changing bodies on this transformative journey of motherhood, allowing expecting mothers to exude style, flair, and grace. Your muse for this mission will be Yendi Phillips, as she will be the guest judge for the Catwalk show. You will have a budget of $5,000 for fabric at Pablo's and $1,500 for trimmings at Trimming World. You will have 8 hours to complete this mission, and then it's catwalk time. Good luck.
I'm excited, especially because we're dressing Yendi.
I now work with a color wheel, a color palette.
If me can't find no fabric for do what I want to do, I want something to speak to me.
What's your name, crinoline? Crinoline is on the black and white.
I want 80 for crinoline.
I want to take this frame. I want this. And I think it's pretty.
The thing is, I'm changing my design.
I'm excited.
I'm a boy mom, so I'm doing blue. I hope Yendi's baby is gonna be a boy, that she can wear it if she loves it, which she will.
The vibe around the style that celebrities usually go for maternity wear, it's not the typical style, as I say. So it opens out a lot of doors for designers who like that kind of style.
You don't want to know body and blue. Everybody have blue and pink. Well, we are.
I'm finished.
I'm really a swimwear designer, and I really want, and she is a very good swimwear model. So I always wanted to dress her or have her wear one of my pieces.
That's only 2 yards away. I'm not complicated.
I think maternity wear is very relevant to fashion, to the fashion industry right now, because I mean, you have different celebrities like Beyonce, Rihanna, Keke Palmer, like a lot of celebrities like those that are, you know, showing ladies that, you know, just because you bring the child into this world, it doesn't mean that you have to look pop down, but you could, you know, elevate yourself and still look beautiful, and just show people that, you know, women are the core essence to life.
What year you buy Aaron?
I'll get 9.
That's not nice. You lying wicked, see? I said, man, no, we're here close, very close. Oh my God, Aaron.
I don't know that you
I just know you're going to murder.
Aaron's so fearless.
I'll murder that.
Murder.
I murder man too. Who put it instead?
I don't know what to make, but I'm gonna make something great.
I hope she gets a boy, so she can wear my boy.
That's why I choose unisex colors.
In the morning, I can be really nice.
Nine minutes, designers. 9 minutes.
This is so beautiful.
I'm making a oversized blouse, and it's kind of long because I'm kind of playing on it being a maternity dress, but it's actually a blouse over a pants and a little corset titty top.
I like today's challenge because I think when you think of a maternity outfit, it has to be comfortable. So just do something easy, and that's what I'm doing. First thing, I went and picked a color that would pop, that would have impact without doing much. So I know from the time my dress hit that runway, it will already have impact without saying anything. It will already be a dress to look at just because of the color. And I think it will complement any woman who's pregnant.
They're fighting the clothes. I'm tired. Tired.
Tired. Yeah, work hard. I'm doing a lap dress, so it looks like something like the regular typical kind of maternity dress. But I'm just sticking to my aesthetic, although some people might think it's different because it's loose and I do a lot of fitted dresses sometimes, but it's still my style.
I basically decided that I wanted to make a boho-inspired dress. The dress would include a lot of ruffles and flares and a lot of gathering and stuff. So very girly and chic. And I wanted to make something that was very light, airy and flowy, so that the mother herself could feel, young and juvenile all at the same time while looking pretty and bringing a small little one into this world.
So the inspiration is water. You have natural birth, C-section, and then you have some persons that choose to like water birth. So I chose that aspect as my inspiration, and I'm doing some cascades in different blues to show the different hues of the water with a little corset because it can't be too far down to hurt the baby.
Aaron, I think the judges like him a lot with that ridiculous looking skirt last week.
Aaron, what are you doing to the people there?
It just feel like favoritism every week. They don't have anything bad to say about his work.
Sound like two though. Whoever won, I would genuinely be happy for them, and I would say they deserve it. But the fact is, everybody in the sewing room is like, I didn't deserve it, and I find that is not fair.
I want to incorporate fish in the clothes. Well incorporated.
My fish was on. My fish was right in the center.
You're rubbing that You're right.
You're robust artist.
They were like to criticize me for clothes and don't like the critique for his.
You see how quick he bolt out the door?